Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Dear students, welcome to the sixth sessions of the online tutorial. This week, you are going to learn about cover letters and curriculum bits. You can find this week's topics in Module 7, which consists of 2 learning activities. By the end of the week, you are expected to be able to write a cover letters in English and identify part of curriculum vitae. Please study the materials and enrichment links below. Afterwards, please participate in discussion forum 6 and submit the assignment 2 if you haven't. Good luck, everybody.